Today I'm going to show you how to make this easy baked oats for one. It's super simple sweet treat or breakfast, and as always I've written a blog post which I'll leave down below which has the full recipe and step-by-step instructions too, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this easy recipe a try and what you think of it. So let me show you how to make it. So into a bowl pop 1/4 cup of oats, 1/4 cup of milk, yogurt, anything you like, about 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla, 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla, just some nice vanilla-y flavor. Now there are so many ways to flavor your oats. I'm going for some frozen strawberries that are stuck in there. Just 1/4 cup, there's 5 frozen strawberries in there. It's just going to add so much berry goodness. For a little sweetness, I'm just going for some maple syrup, so I'm just doing a teaspoon, but you could use honey instead, you can use sugar, you can use stevia or a sweetener, whatever you like. And finally an egg, just to help bind everything together. And just give everything a good stir together. There you go, those 5 strawberries just spinning round and round. Now I've got a ramekin that I've greased well, and I'll just pour it in. And there you go. Now if you want to, you can also add some chocolate chips. There are loads of other ingredients you can add in, which I'll write down in the blog post down below, so you can click through for that. But now it's going to go into the oven, which is preheated to 180 degrees Celsius, which is 350 Fahrenheit, for 25 to 30 minutes, or until it's cooked through and perfectly done. And there you go, it's out of the oven. It smells pretty good, and if you take a spoon and go into it, oh, it's lovely gooey oatmeal and full of berry goodness too with those strawberries. I just absolutely love this recipe, and I'm sure you will love it too. And remember, in the blog post down below there'll be the full recipe, step-by-step instructions, and loads of variations, so you can make your dream baked oatmeal. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give this oatmeal a try and what you think of it. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!